Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can install Intel graphic drivers on Windows. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your browser. Inside here, simply search for Intel graphic drivers in the search bar, and then simply tap on this link that says download Intel driver and software. Now inside here, scroll below and just like that, tap on graphics, and then you will see several driver download options listed. To find the correct driver for your system, simply open the start menu and then search for processor on the search bar. Now note your Intel processor generation such as 11th, 12th or 13th gen. Now return to Intel graphic download page, and if your processor is between 11th and 14th gen, select that driver. If you are using Intel Arc graphic card, download the Intel Arc driver. And if you are using an Intel Arc graphic card, download Intel Arc driver. For older Intel graphics, choose the legacy driver listed at the very bottom. Scroll below, then tap on download. Now after downloading, open up your file explorer. Inside here, simply tap on downloads right over here and then double click on the installer file. Now begin installation. After accepting terms and conditions, simply tap on start, and once the installation is completed, restart your computer. Your Intel graphic drivers are now updated and ready to use. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.